I chose Lalio to research and learn more about. I have a few teachers in my building who wanted to incorporate this into their classrooms, and none of us were very familiar with it, so we were unable to, but we're hoping to incorporate it in the fall. This is a phonics resource for grades K through 2. And so it is individualized learning. It meets the students with whatever skills they're missing and builds on that. A few things that I really like about this app is it's very easy to add a class. So here is just my example class. It will tell you everything the students are learning, from consonants to short vowels, diagraphs, and it will label everything with either green, meaning they're doing great, yellow, they're still learning, or red, they need help. This also includes sight words, word family, and comprehension, but as you can see, you need the premium for that, which does cost money. However, we only use the free version just for phonics because the phonics version still incorporates these 3 components. It just won't tell you as a teacher the students' scores. So this is a really fun game for kids. They get to watch some fun videos and while they're learning. So if you go on and you watch the video, it kind of shows you everything they do as the student, and it kind of gives you more insight on what you can do as a teacher. Basically, the students think they are playing a game while on this app. That's what I took from doing research on it. But really they're learning phonics the whole time. So I thought that was pretty cool. As without the premium, you still get the scope and sequence, which is awesome because it shows you what they're learning and what order they are learning it in. I love this as a reading teacher. This is very important. Another resource is the PD resources, so you can learn more about LALIO. You can learn more about phonics and skills and why it's doing it in that progression, things of that source. So this is just a great resource to use for K through 2 phonics, and if you would like the premium, that's something the school would have to buy, but honestly, just the free version is all you really need. So this is a great resource, and I am excited to use it this year.